Hello students, in last video I have explained you the question answers of chapter 1 how the camel got his hump part 1. Today I am going to discuss all the question answers of part 2. So let's start with first question. The camel was looking at his own reflection in the pool. What does it suggest to you about the camel? Means, what do you understand by the activity of the camel? Why he was looking at his own reflection according to you? The camel was looking at his own reflection in the pool shows that he was proud of his appearance, especially his back. He liked admiring himself. He was fond of appreciation and he was proud of his appearance. That's the reason he was looking at himself. Next question. The camel said hump repeatedly. How did it affect him? How did it affect him? Now, this, as we all know in the chapter, the camel used to say again and again hump. Whenever someone tried to talk to him or someone asked him to do any work, he simply replied hump. And how did it affect him? While the jinn was trying to remind him for being lazy and avoiding his work, the camel kept saying hump repeatedly. Even the jinn warned him not to say so. His back puffed into a big hump as a result of his repeating the word and by not working. As we all know, camel has a hump on his back, and according to the story, it was because of the laziness or the idleness of the camel. His back puffed into a big hump, as he generally used to say the word hump again and again, and even after the warning of jinn, he didn't leave the word. Still he was using the word, and as a result his back puffed into a big hump. So this was the effect of saying hump repeatedly. Let's go to the next question. What according to the jinn was the use of the hump? According to the jinn, as the camel missed his work for 3 days, he would be able to do work for 3 days without eating. The hump would help the camel in storing the food and use it during his work without eating anything for a long period. Hump helps the camel to live without eating or without drinking water for 3 days. As he left the work for 3 days, so as a punishment he got the hump, but it was beneficial for him because he is the only desert animal which can live without water or eating for a longer period of time comparatively other animals. Next question. He has never yet learned to behave. In the light of this, write the writer's opinion about the camel. According to the writer, the camel is still a very lazy animal that is unwilling to work. After he got the hump, the jinn asked him to go out of the desert to help the other 3 animals. It seems that the camel still did not behave himself and worked lazily in the desert itself. It is for this reason that he was still unable to complete the pending work of those 3 missed days. He had continued carrying the hump and living in the desert. As we all know, once the time is gone, it will never come back. So, if yesterday's work is pending, today what you will do? Today's work or yesterday's work? So, The camel is still today unable to complete his spanning work, and still he is working and having a hump, and is living in the desert with a hump. Hope the concept is clear to everyone. Thank you.